The essence of the Flow add-on is the amazing and easy-to-use asset library. You can now quickly add your models and materials to the scene. In this short video you will learn how to add your assets to the scene correctly. First I'll show you how to add models to the scene. Place the 3D cursor in the spot where you want to add your asset. To set the 3D cursor, use Shift plus right mouse click. Now select Add Object from Library in the Flow panel, or select the same operator from default Blender Add Object menu called by Shift plus A. You should see the Add Object from Library pop-up window. Select the category from the list. If there is any subfolder in the selected category, you will see the subcategory selection list. You may leave this field blank to remain in the category folder, or select one of the subcategories. Then choose your object below. To open the objects list, simply click on the large field below, select the object label. While adding the object, you may also set the preferred instancing type. Local means that the collection containing the asset will be duplicated from the source file into your current blend file, and any of its instances will be local. This will allow you to edit the collection objects directly or tweak the object properties, but may increase your file size. When you select Linked, the source collection will only be linked to your current file, so you will not be able to make any direct changes and tweak properties until you make this instance local. Using linked instances may also cause the problems when the source file is moved. However, using this option with larger and more complex instances, like trees and vegetation, may keep the project's file size very small. When the object is selected, click OK to add it to the scene. If you are using one of our libraries like Interior Essentials library, the assets are designed in the way to be placed properly in the selected spot. For example, when you select some furniture and place the cursor on the floor, the chair will be standing on the floor when added. When you select some lamp and place the cursor on the ceiling, the lamp will hang from this spot. We recommend to design your assets the same way, and that will be described in another tutorial. Adding the materials from the library looks quite familiar. In the object mode, select the object that you want the material to be added to. In Blender Materials panel, select the material slot that you want to be replaced or create the new one. If the object is not using any materials yet, the material you choose will become the object's default material. Adding the materials in edit mode looks slightly different. You are not replacing the material slots, but you can paint the selected faces with the desired materials. If no faces are selected, the material will basically append in the end of material slots. If you will try to add the material that has already been added to the scene, it will not be duplicated but replaced by the material with the same name. Mind that if you tweaked a library material and you now want to add the default one again, you will need to change its name first. So this is all about the basic usage of the Flow add-on. Thank you for watching.